President Donald Trump has imposed a 90-day freeze on all foreign aid spending, including funding for HIV programs, in a move that threatens the unravel decades of US-led global health initiatives. Sarabina mashoko atinoona kuti aiwa Trump panguva ino omisa HIV funding aiwa kucontinent yeAfrica. Sarabina mashoko ari kudanyurwa panapa tiona kuti Trump aiwa nemaAfrican leaders aiwa tikuona kuti vakomana ava vasikana kutombosangana. Sarabina mashoko ari kudanyurwa panapa subscribe or like or drop the bell icon. The State Department confirmed in a memo that the freeze affects current foreign assistance programs, including the President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief (PEPFAR), which has been instrumental in fighting HIV/AIDS worldwide. The suspension extends to the United States Agency for International Development (USAID), further jeopardizing efforts to combat tuberculosis (TB) globally. The decision has drawn sharp criticism from global health organizations, warning that even short disruptions can have devastating consequences. PEPFAR provided antiretroviral treatment for millions, conducts crucial HIV testing, and supports maternal and child health initiatives, particularly in Africa, and remains the epicenter of the epidemic. Despite political shifts in Washington, D.C., PEPFAR has enjoyed bipartisan support across 4 presidential administrations. However, Trump's freeze signals a departure from this long-standing consensus, injecting uncertainty into global HIV/AIDS relief efforts. Ndo mashoko anobudanyurwa panapa tiona kuti aiwa mashoko kana the move iri kuitwa naTrump yokondemewa aiwa nevanhu vazhinji vemuAfrica, zvatinoona kuti aiwa zvinhu zvakaita se kubetserwa kwamaternity, kupuwa kwamedication zvana tuberculosis zvobetserwa aiwa neUSAID. Panguva ino takuona kuti zvese zvakuiswa on hold zvakumisiwa, zvatakuona kuti aiwa Africa ichambosheka, ichambodengenyeka tichiona aiwa Trump aiwa amisa those supports yese yaireceiva kubva kuAmerica. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi, enda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.